In 2001, I graduated from college and realized that I needed to get a job as soon as I possibly can, like most of us who graduate from college. And I received a position as a loan processor at that time, so I took it. And in that time frame, I was pulling credit for other clients and realized never pulled credit for myself. So I decided to pull my own credit that day. And to my surprise, I was in shock. I saw over $35,000 of debt that did not belong to me. I remember the feelings I was feeling at that very moment. I felt depressed. I felt like I was just completely hopeless. I was in denial. All these different feelings were just coming through me like a wave, and I just felt like frozen. I just couldn't move. And I remember contacting an attorney for advice, and all the attorney could tell me was pay off those debts. And I thought to myself, but most of those debts don't belong to me. So at that very moment, I took it upon myself to learn about how to fix credit for those that were victims of identity theft. And through those experiences, I have been able to successfully fix my own credit and many of my clients. I want to give you some tips that will help protect your credit, repair it, and restore it now. First step, go to Experian.com, go to the search button, and in that website put fraud. You're going to see a link that will direct you to the fraud investigation section of that credit report, and you'll also see a toll-free number. Contact that toll-free number and immediately place a fraud alert with Experian. The moment you place a fraud alert with Experian will alert the other two bureaus, Equifax and TransUnion, that you are a victim of identity theft. Second, contact your local authority. Go ahead and contact the police department in your county and file an identity theft police report. Within that police report, include every detail of your experience as a victim of identity theft, and if you can, include all the debts that belong on that report that do not belong on your credit. Third, you're going to want to submit a letter to the credit bureaus explaining what you've seen on your credit, which accounts don't belong to you, and include a copy of that police report, your license, social security card, and a utility bill so that they can verify your identity and confirm that you filed a police report. When you submit that letter, go ahead and send it certified mail so they can keep a paper trail of your investigation. It will take the bureaus 30 to 45 days to investigate, and usually what will happen is that they will give you an updated credit report with the status of each dispute, confirming if that debt was removed. So those are the free steps that I recommend you take right now to protect your credit, repair it, and restore it. We wish you well.